I'm recording it. I'm bored.
This fucking blows. But it feels great though.
Oh, really? I feel like
I bet these cups get so tired.